Hello, third graders, and welcome back. Now, this week's assignment, what I would first like you to do is your 10 minutes of typing. Please remember to use two hands on your keyboard. Practice proper typing like we have learned when we were in class. You will be very thankful that you are practicing the correct way when you get into fourth and fifth grade. I monitor your minutes, and you guys are doing an excellent job, and I do appreciate that. Now, this week's assignment is going to be about Earth Day. Now, Earth Day is on Wednesday of this week, April 22nd. Earth Day is a day to remember how to take care of our Earth. Now, we're going to do it a little bit differently. Normally, I would show you how to create and do this all by yourself, but a lot of this is set up for you. Now, first and foremost, if you cannot see the whole entire box here, what I'd like to do is just take the zoom out button where it says 100%. You can click the down arrow. You might want to change it to 90 or 75 so you can see the box. Now, what you're going to do is answer math problems, and we'll create a emoji Earth Day pixel art project for you. That'll be pretty cool. Now, what you do is here's the math problem 11 minus 10. You click in the box to the right of it underneath the word answers, and you put the answer. So 11 minus 10 is 1. And when you click underneath, you will start seeing the boxes fill up. You do not have to do anything in this box. You just have to answer the math problems. 5 minus 1 would click and be 4. 20 minus 14, that's 6. And if you continue going down, you will see a picture when you are done. At the bottom of the page, you will see 4 pictures that are highlighted in red. Those are the ones you must do. Some kids really like math, and some kids you might want, I'll have asked for some extra work to do. These are bonus 1, 2, 3, 4. They're just 4 more that you can do. You do not have to do these if you do not want to. Some students have asked me for a little extra work, but you do not have to do these. Please do 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go back into your Google Classroom and make sure you hit turn in. And then you're done for the week. So this week, please do your 10 minutes of typing and 4 of these pages. If you have any extra time, if you're bored, if you just want to, you like doing this stuff, you can do the bonus pages. I hope everyone is safe, you are all well, and hopefully I'll be able to see you guys soon. You're doing an excellent job, and keep up the good work.